anyone believe in the laws of physics and believe that the world is round like a ball and believe in the ice wall at the same time? The ice wall is the circumference. It's the perimeter. Is the circumference of something that is round? The circumference of something that is round. A circle is the distance around its edge, calculated by multiplying its diameter across the middle by pi, or by multiplying its radius center to edge by 2 and then by pi, using the formulas. Key concepts: circumference, the total length of the circle's boundary. I think that's flat. Diameter, the distance across the circle passing through the center. Radius, the distance from the center to any point of the edge. Pi, a mathematical constant approximately 3.14159, representing the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Find the diameter, measure across the circle through the center. This is flat. What is Earth's circumference? Oh wow, so they acknowledge that Earth has a circumference. AI overview. The Earth's circumference is approximately 40,075 kilometers, 24,901 miles at the equator, and slightly less at about 40,008 kilometers, 24,860 miles, when measured through the poles. So they clearly acknowledge that Earth has a circumference. So how did they measure the circumference? By the ice wall. The circumference of something is measured by something that is level. The perimeter of something is just the circumference of the shape of something. So for them to come up with Earth's circumference, that was determined by something that is level. If Earth was a ball, if Earth was round in a ball, it'll be determined, it'll be measured by mass, weight, and value. And the value would determine the size of it. Think of a balloon or a basketball when you're blown into it. That's volume that you're blown into that. And that determines the size of it. Earth is determined by the circumference of the ice walls around the perimeter, the outer edges of what we consider Earth, the lands, the waters. It's the outer perimeters, and it's the circumference. Ask yourself, how can you determine the circumference of something that is round, a round object, like a ball? The way to determine the circumference by it is through the volume of what's inside. Earth has a circumference, so it can be measured, not by volume, but by its circumference and its perimeter along the edges. Earth is not round, and it's not flat also. Earth is still.